a long time. He said to him, "Do you want, sir? I have no one to put me into the pool when the water is stirred up." Me. Jesus said to him, "Get up, take up your bed, and walk." Bed and walked. Now that day was the Sabbath. This the impotent man had been waiting for a wonder to be wrought pool, but no angel came, or came not for him. Waited still and knew not that there was one. Many are in the same plight. They are waiting for vision or celestial vision. They wait in vain. In a few cases, remarkable signs are seen, yet these in his own case. No man, especially who feels he's in water, even if it came. It is a very the use of means and ordinances and vows and resolutions in vain, utterly in vain. Meanwhile, these them look unto him and be saved. He could heal them at one wonder. To trust him is the sure way to every blessing, and but unbelief makes them prefer the cold porches of Bethesda. Oh, that the Lord might turn his eye upon the multitudes who are in this which they put upon his divine power, and call them by that sweet and in the energy of faith take up their bed and walk. O Lord, hear the hour of the sunset, and ere the day breaketh, may they look. Is there anything in this portion for you?